Welcome to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to disassemble the Storklinta 6-drawer dresser from IKEA. I also have a tutorial on how to assemble this dresser, which I'll leave a link in the description below, so after you remove, you can easily put it back together. All you need for this disassembly is a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and some pliers. If you want to speed up the assembly process, then you can also use a drill with a Phillips bit. So the first step is to take out the drawers. To do this, you simply take out each drawer and then lock the locking mechanism back up. Rinse and repeat this step for the other side of the drawers as well. Now I would recommend keeping the drawers together, but if you're limited on space when moving, these next steps will show you how to disassemble them. First, you'll be taking off each drawer slide. Make sure any screws and bits are put in a Ziploc bag so you don't lose them in the move. Then unfasten these 4 cam lock nuts. Next, take out these 4 plastic pins and disconnect the back drawer piece like this. So just a side note, I'd recommend putting some tape over every cam lock nut so you don't lose any in the process of moving. I would also recommend keeping this metal piece in place as pulling it out may cause some damage to the drawer piece. Then take out the bottom of the drawer like this. Next, unfasten these 4 cam lock nuts and disconnect each side drawer piece. Now pull out any exposed dowels. Then unscrew these 4 screws. Repeat the same steps for the other 5 drawers if needed. So now let's focus on the frame. Go to the back with the flathead screwdriver and gently take these 6 plastic pieces out. I'll show you how it's done for one of them. Now go to the front and unfasten these 6 cam lock nuts. Then disconnect the top panel like this. Next, unscrew these 6 screws. Then pull out any exposed dowels. Now flip the dresser over like this. Then with a flathead screwdriver, gently take these plastic caps and pins out. Again, I'll show you how it's done for one. Now you can pull out the backing. Next, go to the underside of the dresser and take these 4 L-shaped scratch guards out. I only have 2, as IKEA forgot to drill in some of the holes with one of the pieces, but you should have a total of 4. As for these 3 scratch guards, I recommend keeping them in. Then unscrew these 4 screws. Now take these 2 pieces out and unscrew these 4 screws. Next, unfasten these 2 cam lock nuts and disconnect the side panel. Then unscrew these 2 screws and pull out any exposed dowels. Next, I recommend keeping the 3 drawer sides attached, but if you want to take them off, it'll look like this. Now unfasten these 2 cam lock nuts and disconnect the bottom piece as shown. Then pull out any exposed dowels. Next, unscrew these 2 screws. Then unfasten these 2 cam lock nuts and disconnect the middle panel. Now unscrew these two screws and pull out any exposed dowels. Again, it's not needed, but if you want, you can disconnect these 6 drawer slides. As a side note, just make sure these screws are put in a separate bag, as they're a bit different than the other ones that are used for the drawer slides. Now unfasten these 2 cam lock nuts and disconnect these 2 panels. Then pull out any exposed dowels and unscrew these 2 screws. Now in this final step, you can disconnect each drawer slide if you want. So now you should be done with disassembling the Storklinta 6 drawer dresser from IKEA. Again, if you want to reassemble the dresser, I'll leave a link in the description below of that tutorial. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.